好，咱就赶紧来看第59届美式卡球比赛，今仔日呢是伫美国的纽奥良来起步，是由堪萨斯酋长甲费城老鹰来相拼。这回这比赛嘛真好看头，中场的表演呢是有1亿外的人在看。今年这广告的介绍也冲到30秒800万美金。
It has been a banner year for the National Football League. Or should I call it the National Football League?
From the very beginning, football has been a conspiracy to make us hungry.
And we'll call this a pigskin. Make people crave bacon. Bacon.
Everybody loves bacon.
I love bacon.
美式卡球甲美式卡球，奥斯卡影帝马修麦康纳伫咧这期超级杯的广告内面，甲一大堆甲食物有关的字，一个甲美式卡球连结。伫过去这个广告上，因的手法就是好食惯势，哪食哪看比赛人，唔免搁传叫外送就会使。估计这届超级杯收看转播的观众超过1.2亿，业者当然爱抢这个胜利。今年全场直播比赛内面80多支广告，其中一寡时段30秒就要800万美金创纪录。
$8 million is a lot of money for a corporation, but there is no better moment to get your brand messaging or awareness out there. They're not leaving the room, they're not fast forwarding through them. What's really special about Super Bowl ads is it doesn't just end with the 30 seconds or the 60 seconds on television. People are talking about them.
虽然动作上慢，启动到玻璃门，或者是互灶卡捣毁，这种就是叫做百叶症候群。真侪人伫前一晚看超级杯了，第二天上班的时阵反应拢慢顿。 超级杯广告商真爱用高水的动物，也定定找一寡有名的人伫家己的广告内面出现。亲像有名的美乃滋品牌好乐门，就是梅格莱恩加比利克里斯托重现经典的电影，当哈利拄到莎莉，大家正熟的一寡电影的内容。由以前唔捌买过超级杯广告的品牌，也想要试看落重本的效果。亲像有名的冰淇淋品牌哈根达斯。公司新闻吴文玲报道。